Yo, this joint just came to me, right? So I'm training one person since the 5th the challenge started. She 35 days straight, right? Every day she been here talking about accountability, right? I'm training another dude, right? And since the beginning of the challenge, he only been here twice. So it came to me, I said, yo, you Mr. Accountability, man. Let's figure out something. Let's get these people in here, right? So I said, yo, check it out. We're gonna go get a mason jar, right? And we're gonna put $1 in the jar for every day we work out, and we're gonna have a challenge to see who gets to 90 days first. See who gets 90 days worth of workouts first. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take 30% of that money and we're gonna put it to a grand prize. So let's just say we got 40 people on the challenge, right? And everybody gives $30 of their $90, right? Here we got $1,200, right? And we're gonna split between first, second, and third prize. $600 go to first prize, $400 go to second prize, and $200 go to third prize. So essentially, if you win, yo, you could train for 6 months for free, just for working hard for 90 days. Yo, think about it. You can do a lot with the value of, with the hard work, the blood, the sweat, and tears, and the value of $1, baby. We're talking about Mr. Accountability, Team Accountable, right? Team AWOL, new 90-day challenge. Forget all that other stuff. We're gonna work. Let's get paid.